Good morning, guys. So this is my new Telescene universal tube clamp for all the action cameras, and you can use this is basically helping you for all the bike mounts and especially for the handlebar mounts. So let's unwrap and see what the contents comes in with. I have not yet opened it. आज ही deliver हुआ है. So let me see what the box contains and everything. Let's see. This is the box. It took me around 1800 rupees, 1900 roughly. So it comes with some of the. See, this is the universal tube clamp. This goes in your motorcycle handlebar or anything of the size, and maybe with your rear view mirror on the rods you can keep it. There's a small rubber clamp which decreases the size of this hole, so you can connect this over your handlebars as well as on your rear view mirrors. So this is the basic structure and drawing for it. Okay, let's see. So let me see how the finish is. Let's go. This is okay. So this is the aluminium part. Okay, nice, good quality. Then comes this, the main thing. Let me just open it up. Aja, bahar ko aja. Oh my goodness, that's strong. I don't know why it's not coming. Oh, that's nice touch. This is also an alloy, aluminum alloy mix, I think. So good one. Okay, this is the mount. I think I'll be getting it. Ouch. This is the mount. This is plastic. This is aluminium. Okay, this is aluminium. This is the screw. Good quality, good finish, good quality. And this is the mount. So this goes like this, and this is what I was talking about. This is the rubber clamp, and you need to just place it over here so that the diameter reduces and you can put it over your rear view mirrors, the rear view mirror part. And if not, this whole thing goes, if you just open it up, this whole thing goes into the handlebar. So the fit and finish is very good, premium, looks premium, no scratches. I think कुछ यहाँ पर है, but then that's okay. So goes easily. Let's see. So I'll just connect this with this simple easy go. Nice. Today I'll be testing it over my motorcycle. Let's see how it goes. Nice. So this is how it goes, and you just clamp it up again. Oh, this is an extra, I think. Nice. Oh, this is for this extra part. Oh wow, nice. So if you're having a Insta360 or anything camera, so this will go over it, and with the thread, because that needs a thread. But my action camera has a this slide kind of thing, so I think this will be good for me. How's it goes? Yes, nice. So once you connect this, oh nice. Oh, it's easy, man, easy peasy. Nice. So just keep it this way and tighten up, and there you go. Finally, with your action camera just mounted, and this goes on your handlebar. So the premiumness, feel and finish is good, everything. I like the quality. I hope this video is helpful for all the bikers who are planning to buy such things. Maybe this would be helpful for you. And yes, so you need to loosen it up thoda sa, then you just tackle it up, find the directions, and there you go. Okay, so there you go. So I'll be fixing it today, and I'll be using it on my motorcycle, so that I'll make a video of it and I'll show you. Okay, thanks guys, thank you.